This is the next phase of testing for my eccentric transformer here. In the previous models I had a little bit of trouble with almost cross-contamination between inductive transformer action and capacitive transformer action. And so on this one I've decided to try and completely do away with the pickup coil and go with a capacitive loading system only in an attempt to isolate. And so what you see here is the same primary coil that I've been using with its own primary there to excite it. And basically I've turned it on its side here and turned it into a quarter wave resonator by grounding the end near the primary coil. So we have maximum electric potential at the far right end, and that is connected directly to this globe here, and right next to that is a second capacitive pickup globe. Now the idea here is to immerse the pickup globe within the field created by the transmitter and observe the backtalk between the two. Observe the basically how much of the Lentz-like reaction actually occurs between the two steel globes. So here are those. Let me try and get this good here. Get everything in the picture. Alright, so now I have a single generator right here, and I'm trying to tune for maximum peak to peak voltage here so I can tell when the maximum Q and the maximum standing wave voltage ratio is reached. And right here I've marked it off with this line right here. That's about the max we can get. As you can see, this is even picking up a little bit of field right there, just because it's connected to, or just because it's in the vicinity. So now let me turn that off, and you see the maximum there. Let me connect this guy here, and you can see that. And you can see this now is the subtracted energy from the primary coil. You can see there's a little deviation in maximum height there. That's the backtalk happening between the system. But now let me move this a little further away, retune a little bit, and even though our light intensity has gone down a little bit, we're very, very close to where that top line is right there. So now we're almost not even seeing too much of a loading on the coil at all. This eccentric action right here, actually, the fact that this capacitive unit is about a different center from this one actually creates a difference between the two that we can see through this experimental setup. So we can even move this a little further back, do it again. And now we're at about the same spot. Now we're picking up the thing, but we're not even actually showing any loading on the coil from what I can tell. So this is rather interesting, and I think it has very large possibilities, and I will definitely be proceeding down this track.